What's the meaning of American? American. 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 American.
The term American typically refers to individuals or things related to the United States of America. It encompasses the diverse cultural, social, and political characteristics associated with the country, including its history, geography, language, art, music, literature, and cuisine. Being American can connote a sense of national pride and identity, as well as a commitment to the country's values of freedom, democracy, and equality. While the definition of what it means to be American has evolved over time, it remains a vital aspect of individual and collective identity for many people within the United States.